to my channel. It's Rhiannon. And today what we're doing is a slime review. So yeah. So if you can't see the camera, can you see it? Right. So don't forget to like, subscribe and hit those notification buttons. Or notification button. So yeah. There's a couple that I won't be doing today because most of them have dried out. So I won't be doing that one. Just got slime on my sleeve. Because I've been playing with them. So yeah. So the first one is the banana one. Smells like bananas. It's not perky, but it's really stretchy. It's a bit thick, like thick as you can't stretch it, like you need a bit of lotion. It feels dry as well, like really dry. It smells lovely. It smells like bananas. See it? I'd give this a 10 out of 10. So it is the lime one. Straight up, this smells like lime. My winter. This is amazing. So stretchy. It's amazing. Yeah. So this one doesn't have a smell to it. I mean, this one doesn't perk. The same as the banana one. I think they're both made out of the same material, but this one's a bit more wet. I think because I've had some lotion to it. I've added some lotion to this one, not the banana. Oh, my slime's rolling away today. So this one is a 10 out of 10. And then we have got this. What?
What are you doing?
Playing with slime.
What?
Playing with my slime.
You better not be chopping knives on the board, on the plate pot.
No. it's a really sticky texture. I'll just roll it over here because I don't want to get it on my hands. You see? So, I can spread it. It's got fern beads in, if you can see. It's got a lot of fern beads in. Pink fern beads. This one's got a scent to it as well. This one smells like candy floss or millions. Okay guys, so I'd give this slime a 9 out of 10 just because it's really sticky. It's not their fault, it's just thingy over shipping. So yep, it's perkable. I can't really perk it with these nails on. I was really shame my nails. So it's really stretchy and really poppy bit and sticky. Okay guys, so that's my slime video for today. If you liked it, put those thumbs up and subscribe and hit that notification button. It's right next to the subscribe button on the left. Right there. Yeah, and I will see you next time on my slime video. Bye!